Miller Diversion 180. Found a good deal on this. First, welcome back, McLaurin's Welder. Sorry about that. I found a good deal on this TIG welder. What attracted me about it, it TIGs aluminum and stainless. And I like the cheat sheet it got on here for beginners, such as myself. So I've been TIGging a little mild steel in here, making some step rails. So far, it's been going good. So I'm gonna get some live action. I'm using about an 1/8" stainless steel filler rod, foot pedal, let's TIG. Yeah, I think that'll be strong enough, guys. Gonna let it cool till it close up on that weld. See, TIGging is a lot like brazing. I just wanted to try to make it a continuous weld. I mean, you know, I'm just getting back in the swing of things on this. But it's welded, it ain't going nowhere. I could probably tie that in a little better, but so far I like the Diversion 180. It's a good little welder by Miller for home hobbyists such as myself. McLaurin's Welder, over and out. Peace.